So you've inserted the SIM and you get a not registered on network issue. So the first way to fix this is we will open settings, then scroll all the way down until you see general management. Then scroll down again and select the reset option. And so the first thing we're going to try is selecting a reset mobile network settings. So tap on this one, select reset, enter in your login, and then tap reset one more time. If that works, great. If not, we're going to eject the SIM card from the phone. So we'll do like that. And so this yellow part here has the data for your SIM card and it may be dirty. So just give this a clean. You can use your t-shirt, microfiber cloth. Just rub this right here. Make sure it's nice and clean. Then put your SIM card back in and it should solve the issue. If still not working, you will need to order a new SIM card from your carrier.